Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, I was going to plant my peppers today. We're finally having a nice rain here, and I thought, well, I'll just look at those Dr. Wyche. Look it. Did you see those? 5 days and they've sprouted. So I had to change my plans because I thought I had 7 to 14 days, which usually that's what you have. And look at those guys looking for the light. So I had to quickly go to town and I got 3,000 lumens shop lights. If you get shop lights, make sure you check the lumens. These are 3,000. But if they were called grow lights, they'd be $50 each more. Yeah, isn't that a scam? So I do have light on them now, as you can see. And this is a different setup than what I had in the winter time. In the winter time, the sun is right there and it's shining in on this all day long. Mind you, it's a very short day. So I had the solar lights hanging here. So they charged all day, and then when it got dark at 4 o'clock here, I would just turn them on and give everything. It's 12 hours plus daylight. I would turn on in the morning when it was still dark. But it's a different case now. Where's the sun? The sun is way up in the sky. So no sun actually touches my buffet at this time of year in April. So plan B is the sun is shining longer. It's daylight at 8 o'clock in the morning till 8:30, I think, at night. So we're having 12 hours plus of daylight. So I have enough daylight, or just like on a gloom day like today, my batteries are still charging. So I can operate these on hydro, off grid, without a generator. So everything seems to be going as planned, except I wasn't ready for this, because when Bob the builder comes home, I'm going to get him to make on here a shelf. So I'll have 2 tiers of plants here, and underneath and above, and I'll have the tier maybe up here so that it gives you room for your tomatoes to grow. But right now I've got them set right down low, so they're getting all the light they need, hopefully. But the life off grid, it is so doable and nothing to be feared. But yay, my Dr. Wyche tomatoes are on steroids, like 5-day germination. Awesome.